Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a couch with a drawer. Anyway, so we have to make the rotated rectangle. We have to make a basic shape with rotated rectangle. Then we can set the length or width of the couch. We are around 1000 millimeter, and then the length around 2000 millimeter or 2 meter. Okay, so then we have to push it up. We have to push it up around 400 millimeter, for example, or maybe it's just shorten than before. We can just make it short around 100 millimeter shorten, and then we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter only. Then we can push it to the another side around 150 millimeter only. So you can see, okay, we can see about the inside anyway. Okay, so then we have to make it group, and then we can make the center support of this vertical shelf, and then we can push it to the left side around maybe 50 millimeter for the support. Then we can move and just press and place on this midpoint. Okay, and then we can make the rectangle over there. So then we can push it to the forward. We can push it to the forward just like this, and then we can make it group. And then so we can just edit. We can offset the outline. Okay, we can offset this face inside around 20 millimeter only. So then we can push it down until 240 millimeter. Okay, so and then we can select a rectangle. Then we can draw it. Then we can scale it up. Then we can push it to the front around 20 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make it group, and then we can move it to the forward, and then we can just move it to the forward. Okay, and then we can also make the simple handle over there. We can make the simple handle. We can push it a little bit up, then we can okay, we can place on this, then we can push it until the limit. Okay, just something like this. Okay, we can push it until the limit. So and then we can, okay, maybe we can just adjust it by selecting this side only, and then we can move it to the little bit upper position to make the user are easy to open it from the bottom position anyway. Okay, so then we have to make group, make component, just create, and then we have to move and place on this position anyway. So we can see where it can push, move it to this position, and then we can duplicate it to the another position. Okay, just something like this. And okay, we can set the material of it, and then we can move one of the both of drawer just like this. Okay, and then we can make the additional okay, we can make the additional accessories. Maybe we can make it. We can just play it. Then we can select 2-point arc to make the curve. Okay, and then we can select this and just using the follow me to make it. Okay, we can make it group, and we can enter the group, and we can using the 2-point arc over there. Then we can select it and follow me. Okay, then we can make the another material. Maybe we can use the fabric. Okay, maybe we can use this fabric material. Okay, or many more as we want anyway. So then we can edit the color with RGB. Then we can adjust the color brightness or darkness anyway to make the mattress. Okay, we can adjust to make the cushion anyway. Okay, okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.